What's something people don't know about sharks? Their body parts are like an ocean survival kit. From their powerful tail fin that propels them forward with speed and grace to their dorsal fin that keeps them on course, every part of a shark is perfectly engineered for survival. Pectoral fins make them agile under the waves, turning on a dime while also keeping their head up and body level. Sharks breathe through gill slits, releasing water after it passes over their gills. The lateral line along their bodies detects movement so they can sense prey or obstacles. Electro receptors on their heads find hidden meals, even in the sand. And those eyes, they see in dim light, perfect for deep-sea hunting. Lastly, check out their teeth. Flat ones mean shrimp and small fish, sharp ones, big fish or marine mammals. Sharks are truly the masters of the sea.